racing as they battle for the Alay Sakawal Foundation Trophy race. We have Arlegi break quickly restart as Sikuda, Che and Ryan is sunny outside. Down on the inside is Love You by Heart. Then coming up in the middle portion is Panahon na. Royal Pair comes next. Black Label, Be My Queen racing second last. While No Peso, No Dance is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Arlegi by about 3 lengths. Panahon na is sorry outside second. Then on the inside is Love You by Heart. 4 lengths further back in fourth comes Black Label. Royal Pair as Sikuda, Be My Queen, Che and Ryan. While No Peso, No Dance still racing in less. And on the fourth turn we have Arlegi by about a neck. Moving up now on the outside is Panahon na. 4 lengths further back in third, Love You by Heart. Be My Queen comes next as Sekuda. Black Label, then comes Royal Pair, No Peso, No Dance, and Che and Ryan. And they are now entering the home stretch. We have Arlegi. Panahon na is already outside second with about 150 meters more to run. Arlegi by a length and a half. Panahon na is already outside. Arlegi. Panahon na is already outside. Arlegi. Panahon na. It's now Panahon na. Arlegi, then comes Be My Queen, Sikuda, No Peso, No Dance, and Love You by Heart.
Alright, inabot. 6-7.